Begin installation by wrapping the bottom half of the cover over one corner of your rear seat before extending it across to the other. Next, proceed to tuck in all straps between the seat while creating a nice and taut fit. Take note of the location of any seatbelt buckles. We will make a special accommodation for these features. Once fully installed, create a small incision using a pair of scissors directly over the midpoint of the seatbelt buckles. Take care not to make too large of an incision before tucking away any excess fabric. Next, proceed to remove all headrests from your rear bench seat. Begin installation of the top half by wrapping this around one corner and extending it across to the other. Tuck in all straps while lining up the top and bottom halves and creating a nice and taut fit. Next, identify the location of any headrest posts before making a small incision over each and wrapping the excess fabric underneath. Reinsert all headrests into your rear bench seat before wrapping them with the 3 included headrest covers. And there you have it. Your new seat covers are ready for your next trip. Any questions? Feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help.